I feel I'm a strong believer in more devolution. Sebab bila kita devolve, sekarang ni kita dah devolve dengan Sabah Sarawak. And we should bring some of that spirit of devolution. Kalau tak ikut exactly apa yang tuanku minta tadi, but at least to empower the states and state rights beyond apa yang ada tertulis dalam Perlembagaan Persekutuan.
Like in America.
Yeah.
Like United States.
Yeah.
Sama.
Tapi I think what KJ was saying, tuanku, lebih daripada apa yang is allowed or afforded currently.
A new model of devolution.
Sebab tuanku, untuk makluman, KJ nak bertanding jadi Datuk Bandar Kuala Lumpur. So even devolution in KL pun dia nak juga. So this is not just Johor.
Because tuanku, some problems are solved at the federal level.
Obviously.
But a lot of problems are solved at the local level.
Of course.
Especially PBT, state government. Masalah harian lah tuanku.